Gareth. James, please tell us about the importance of these tight ridges or the blocking that is being done here, the blocked ridges. Please tell us about it. Why is it important and of what value is it to the farmer?
Thank you so much, Wendy. We normally encourage farmers to be number one, to have their ridges in time before rains. Number two, they should make sure before ridging, come with manure application along the ridges. And then when they are making ridges, they have to make sure that they are making ridges across the slope. They shouldn't make ridges along the slope, just to make sure that they control the runoff. And at the same time, when these ridges are properly made, let's say if the ridges are being made for maize, they have to be made at 75 centimeters apart, spacing, and they have to be tied. They have to make sure that they make the box ridges probably around every 5 meters. They cross by making a box. The boxes are very, very important in two ways. Number one, they control runoff. Number two, they conserve moisture. As you can see here,
the moisture is there.
The moisture is here. It's just previous night that this area had rains, but you can see the moisture still here.
On the ground.
Yeah, sure. So we encourage across everywhere where the farmers are preparing the fields, they have to make sure that these box ridges are well made, are well constructed, so that we have got enough moisture for the crop.
Indeed. And what we are seeing is on the ridge area, the moisture is almost depleting, as you can see.
Yes.
But here, where the ridge is, it shows that there is a lot of moisture on the ground. It's even sticky, which is to say that more moisture was conserved here inside the depression or the furrow, as opposed to on top of the ridge, which then gives the crop ample time to also use that moisture which is on the tide ridge, inside the tide ridge. So it's very, very important. So farming is a business. Whatever we do, let's employ practices that are going to mitigate the effects of climate change. They are doing it in Malawi. We can also adopt this in our farming operations. Go further still and make an effort to mulch inside again so that the loss of moisture is also mitigated. So there you have it. Beautiful, beautiful field. So they will come in and plant. And when they plant, they'll be planting. Where are they going to be planting, James?
Okay. During planting, they plant on top of the ridge.
Yeah, so they plant on top of the ridge.
On top of the ridge.
Sure. So opening, there are 25 centimeters and planting.
One seed.
25, okay. One seed vegetation, 25, interrow, 75.
75.
Wonderful. Farming is a business. The African Seed Company is here to impart knowledge on our farmers for increased productivity.